In this video, you will learn how to use your Sunbucks card in California. Activate your card. Upon receiving your Sunbucks card, follow the included instructions to activate it. Typically, this involves setting up a personal identification number or PIN. Shop at area locations. Use your Sunbucks card at grocery stores, farmers markets and other retailers that accept EBT benefits. You can also shop online at participating retailers such as Walmart and Amazon. Make purchases. At checkout, select the EBT payment option. Swipe your card and enter your PIN to complete the transaction. Know what you can buy. Sunbucks can also be used to purchase most food items, including vegetables, fruits, meats, dairy and whole grains. However, they cannot be used for foods like hot dogs, pet food, cleaning supplies and personal hygiene items. Monitor your balance. Check the remaining balance and transaction history by visiting the California EBT cardholder website or using your EBT Edge mobile app. Use benefits promptly. Sunbucks benefits are usually within 122 days of being loaded onto your card. Any unused funds after this period will expire and cannot be replaced. Now you know how to use your Sunbucks card in California. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.